What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am up at our Orange County yard and I'm waiting for a delivery currently. In this corner of our yard here next to this little garage here, we've just been storing some plows and two salt spreaders, which those have been there for years now. But eventually, probably not that long from today, we are going to be pouring a concrete slab right here and putting a liquid de-icing tank. The guy that is dropping off the tank is a couple minutes away. That is why I'm here. We have our forklift here. I'm gonna get it unloaded, and I think we're just gonna put it inside our big shop for now. But the plan is to put it there. Normally when we spray liquid here, we go down to our main shop, fill up the truck there, bring it up here, spray all the roads, and then go back down. So this is gonna make it much easier to get these roads taken care of. But I'm gonna pick this video back up when the guy gets here with the tank.
Is that wet? Was it yesterday? Yeah. No good. I just fucking really well. Is it airbag? Come on! Okay. Good! You're right there. Hey, undo those straps. Let's go. Where'd you come at? I think this is big, right? Well, it's got to go up, right? Yeah. Ready, man? Yep. Vamos. There you go. Beautiful.
It's a good thing it's not a circle. Yeah.
Oh, that's how it goes?
Yeah.
How's the fucker fill it?
The hose?
Yeah, like, what are we gonna do? Set on the ladder?
Yeah, there's well,
Oh, here.
Let's go to the column. Alright, wrap this man up when we get out of here. I'll put that in the show.
I got it.
I think so, yeah. That's it, just that one piece?
Yep.
What do you think? We're good?
All right, thank you.
Alright. Hey, the man?
I gave him the check. Yep.
Alright, fucking vamos!
All right, guys, we got this thing stood up and pretty much ready to be put right in its spot once we get this concrete slab poured back here. Obviously, we have some equipment that we need to move out of the way, and we also have to purchase a pump and whatnot for this, plus some hoses and all the other miscellaneous parts we need to run this. This is a 3,000-gallon tank, probably, I don't know, 12 feet tall. I don't even know if you guys can see it with me standing there. I'm 6 foot, so hopefully this flag marker isn't in the way, but it's up to here on me. We're at the 2,000-gallon mark, which is about halfway. So this thing is probably 12 feet tall, give or take, and it'll be full of liquid here. That way we can spray all of these roads and not have to bring a truck all the way from our main shop up here. We'll leave a liquid truck up here. We have a F-350 set up with a tank, and this village is actually much smaller than our main village that we do down by our other shop. So that little truck will be able to handle this village, and we'll use the big truck for the main village and not transport them from one shop to the other. They are about 30 minutes or so away from each other, up a highway and everything, so it eliminates all of the travel. But that'll probably happen in the next few weeks or so, depending on weather, obviously. Tomorrow there is a snowstorm coming. I am not working it. I have a friends miss, a little Christmas party type of thing with all of my friends that I'm hosting, so I got the day off for that, which unfortunately it decided to snow, and I know you guys love all of the snow removal videos. They always do very well on my channel, so I'm gonna miss out on that one, but it is what it is. That is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.